Day 4 of 31 days, 31 hours, where we spin the motherfucking wheel, and whoever we land on, we have to make a cover in their style. Yesterday we did Prada by Shoddy, so we eliminated them off of the list. Yeah, let's get straight into it. Who the fuck will we get today? Let's see. Okay, this is a good one actually. This is a very interesting one. So Nine, Nine does a lot of cartoons and this shit. He just dropped that EP too, and we can do it in like the same kind of style. I think he might be going for like a different look. So we might just do some shit like this, and see what the fuck happens. So it's kind of like a bandana, and we can make like a full kind of design out of this. So I kind of want to take inspo from his other design. So yeah, I kind of want to take a bit of inspo from this cover art and then merge it with this, if that makes sense. So like the bandana, the green text, like the green spiky text, like that gothic metal look, and then mix it with this a little bit. I think we can make some fire ass shit. I don't know if we should add the cartoons or not, but yeah, let's get straight into this shit. So like always, we're gonna start off with 3000 by 3000 pixel document, 300 ppi. We're gonna put the background to, shit, we might as well put the purple, right? I'm purple. Look at this, now I'm purple. I'm gonna change that to white so now you can see me. So yeah, we're gonna just grab like a purple bandana. We might get one with a bit more texture in it. So maybe, I think we should just go with like a bait, like the normal shit, I want it to be the same shit, so I'm just trying to see what kind of design this is. Yeah, it might be this one. Pretty good dimension on it. We can just like get rid of everything else we don't need on it. Drag this shit up. Let me see, this is pretty ass quality though. Oh, the Judgment Day shit. That would be tough. Alright, let's get started on this shit. So we're just gonna use this for now. So I'm gonna have it like this. I'm gonna just keep it in frame and we can just work inside of it. We can scale it up, mess around with it however we want afterwards. But yeah, I do want to make these kind of designs here by themselves and make a whole bandana. I think that'll be really fucking sick. And then have like emotions here. So I'm not sure if we want to go with the cartoon shit. We could try the cartoon shit first. And then we can try like putting the FN sign up, just little shit like that will be fire. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead, duplicate this, and we're gonna grab the rectangle tool, right? So whatever the selection tool is, whatever it's called, the marquee tool, we're gonna select the whole thing and we're just gonna remove the background or generative fill. Actually, I want to keep the border. Of this. So we'll just grab the polygonal tool and we'll get rid of this right here. Alright, so we got this. We're just gonna remove background. Okay, yeah, that's more like it. I don't really like the fucking, I don't know, there's no texture on that. I like this though. We're gonna go into, I have a whole pack for this as well, or not a pack, but like I put it all into a folder. So I have all these like different cartoons in here, so we can just like mess around with them and make our own like kind of designs out of them, and that would be pretty fucking sick. So let's start off with this like Mickey here. Obviously remove the background. Then we want to put like, I feel like it was a threshold on it, but it didn't look like this, so I'm not really too sure. But if we merge it and then we invert it, what was it? Hold on. So it was like white and then maybe it was like a lighten. Yeah. So some shit like this. And we can just like make random ass designs. This shit might actually go crazy though. We have like a fucking schizo one where he has like a gun or some shit. Let me see. Okay, he's throwing up the finger here. We might have him throw up FN, like Mickey Mouse throwing up FN. I mean, this is pretty close to FN. We can just like take this and, well, let's remove the background first and then we'll remove it and then I'm pretty sure FN is like these two fingers. So we can just like, move it over. Like this, right? So this will be taller. Some shit like this. I mean, his fingers are like that, so I mean, it's not too crazy. So yeah, something like that. When we can bring it like below, now we can just fill this shit in. I'm gonna just flip this because I'm like lazy. So some shit like that, like it's not like crazy perfect, but hey, that's pretty good, bro. I'm not gonna lie, that's pretty good. Boom. So we're just gonna get that. We'll paste this shit over. Boom. That's it right there. We got that shit. All right. So we're gonna do the same shit. That took a bit longer. That was like, that was like embarrassing how long that shit took. But we're gonna move on with it anyways. So we're gonna do the same shit. We're just gonna have it like this. We'll do like the black, yeah. That might work. That might look cool. Never mind, that should look ass. We'll just have it like this. Merge it. Invert. And then we'll put this shit like right there on top of them. Kinda like this, make this like fucking distort that shit. We can also do just like some white on them. Oops. Just to fill in some gaps here. And then I also want to clean it up a little bit just so it's not too distorted. So yeah, we'll do some shit like this. And we'll do some other shit. Hey, I think we can literally just like do like maybe the first half like this. And then we can really just go crazy and just like merge it. What the fuck? We can merge it, duplicate it. Yeah, just go nuts with it. What the fuck is going on here? I think this might be a solid like base. Some shit like that. That's pretty cool. I think we could put emotions right here. That'd be perfect. We just gotta find a font. So we gotta find the right font for that. We can clean up the edges here. Alright, so we're gonna go on the font and we're gonna find like, you know, that kind of distort ass font. You'll find it, yeah. So some shit like this, like Horizon. That'd be pretty good for what we're going for. Put that shit in green text. On top. I kind of like this dip right here. Deep. I like this dip right there. So I mean, we could try and guess something like that. We could warp it, I think, and maybe get something similar. So like shell lower. We could get, oh, that's actually really tough. It's a tough ass look. Just scale it down. I kind of want it to be vertical now. So I want it to be like this. And then have it go down like this. I want it to be fat. Pause. Some shit like that. So I'm gonna bring this into my ultimate adjustment pack and we're gonna see some different looks. Now I know 1300 Saints cover art had a crazy look, so I feel like we could get something similar to that with the adjustment pack. So we're gonna go ahead and see. But I'll fucking rip, we got something crazy, bro. Clean dark, bro. This should be, hey, I'm gonna merge it, convert to a smart object, camera off filter. I want the texture to pop on this bitch. You know what, we might actually, hold on, we're just gonna get a flag wave kind of texture here. See if we got like a fire one. So it adds a bit of depth to it, just so it's not crazy flat. And we could probably do some shit with this too. Boom, right? Some shit like that. That's pretty nice. We're also gonna put print advisory on it, of course. That shit like right there. So this is the finished product. Now I'm not really too sure, bro. I'm not happy about this. Like maybe if we just like Y'all already know what the fuck I'm about to do. This will solve all your problems in the world. Low-key tough. I'm not gonna lie. Hey, hold on. Low-key fire. We're going to filter gallery. We're gonna like try out some random shit here. I think this might be fire actually. Maybe reticulation. This might give us some texture. Going to it again. Maybe I was kind of fucking with the watercolor. Maybe the chrome shit. Oh, chrome might be nice. Hey man, I don't know. Oh, I like this border right here. Hold on, this is actually tough. Wait, maybe I want to stretch this out. Pause. Like that. Oh wait, that's actually tough. Hold on. Lock the fuck in. I had. Oh, this is tough. Oh shit! What? Ooh. Okay. I low-key locked in. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of fuck with this, bro. We could put some like blood on it too. Dry blood. Put blur on it too. Oops. Put that shit to color burn. Ooh. Oh, what if we put a fucking gun on this shit? Blur this motherfucker. Nah, I might get rid of it. I don't know. I don't really like that. Yeah, just the cover, man. I kind of fuck with this. I like this a lot. If you guys did enjoy this motherfucking video, make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe, join the motherfucking Discord, and yeah. Peace.